I'm at the Charles Garden Hospital, Wilson parking, and this must be the worst designed car park in all of Perth. They've got 4 or 5 lines going in, but one going out. And it's not just one going out, it's the way it's designed. You have to zigzag through the entire building. Instead of entering one end out the other, no, you all have to meet up in the middle, and everybody has to leave through this one lane. Now how can 4 or 5 lanes going in, right, and all the traffic be handled by one lane out? I've been here for at least 15 minutes. And why can't they have an exit right here in front of me as well? Why can't they have 2 or 3? It just stupid, absolutely stupid. I don't know what these people are thinking when they design these places. I mean, I reckon my 7-year-old daughter could do a better job designing how to get in and out of a building than this place, man. I mean, honestly, there's like a whole load of people behind me. It's ridiculous. 1 lane out, 5 or so in. Never seen anything so ridiculous in my life. Anyway, that's my bitch for the day. Still here. You can smell overheating cars, people beeping their horns and swearing. Yeah, I come all the way from the other side of the building, right? Drive down all the way up to the other end, round in a circle, back to here, right? And I don't know if you can see, but you have to turn right here, then left, and then in the middle there, right there, is one little gate for everybody. You want to know why people get road rage? I mean, it's ridiculous. It's the most stupid car park ever. One car at a time, and there's like, I don't know, 80 cars waiting. Here we go. Have to zigzag through this traffic, through the car parks, around cars, and don't you dare hit those cars there if you can't make the turn in a big vehicle. That's so dumb, so dumb. Oh well, I'll probably be out of here in another 15 minutes or so. Look, I can see people on the other side lining up. Can you believe this? This is how you get out. Brand new modern car park. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be parking my sports car right here. Anyway, the dumbest car park in the world.